Hello, I'm Ellen from Life Science Centre and I have a challenge. Follow the sun's shadow over the course of a day. First up, choose a sunny day. Notice how objects leave a shadow behind. We're interested in looking at the shadows. Don't look at the sun, it can hurt your eyes. Over the course of a day, the sun appears to move through the sky. That means the shadows move too. I've set up a stick to help me watch the shadow, and I'm marking it by taking lots of photos. See how the time of day on the screen changes every hour. You might follow the shadow of a lamppost, marking the ground with chalk, or follow the shadow of a toy on a piece of paper or your windowsill. These are like primitive sundials to tell the time. You can even see that the hands of a clock follow the same direction as the shadow from a stick. I wonder what they called clockwise before clocks. We'd love to see your sundial shadows. Share a photo on social media and tag us. But most of all, have fun.